Hello, my name is Ricardo and this is my IA or internal assessment for computer science. So I utilized uh, Eclipse to program my program, and here, as you can see, is my code, and I have 3 different frames, each with a different layout and purpose, as we can see in the design of each one. This one's for the username. This one is for the table and inputting data inside the table. And the first one is obviously to log in to further go into the data table. So let's see the program. So the first thing that comes up is a frame with the login button, and it's quite simple. You just press it and it leads you straight to the username. And for the username, I chose admin. It's quite simple. It's a common used username. And another interesting thing to point out is that the layout is all black and white to make it look as professional as possible, which was one of the requirements assigned from my client during our consultation. So in my code, I specifically designed that if I did not put in the right username, like if I instead of admin I would have put 123, then a message would be sent to me saying it was the incorrect username. And if I did put the admin or the correct username, then it will portray login success, which is what I wanted that to happen. And once I click accept, the whole frame will close and we won't be able to see it anymore. And here we can see the name of the report, the description, the status, and the comments. So my client specifically wanted that the application would be able to input the name of the report, input a description, and then a status of completion, and finally comments in case he wants to add any different things in the report. So we can basically just put the name of the report, for an example, which is, we can make up something. In the name of the report we can say weekly sales, a description, which it would probably be in PDF format or PowerPoint presentation or Word document. And then a status to see how much is already completed. We'll put 75%. Comments, we can put needs finishing touches. Now the major difficulty which I had when creating this application was that I couldn't find a way to save the data implemented here or inputted here in the name of the report, the description, the sales, or in this entire frame. And I consulted my teacher. I looked for various solutions on the internet, but I couldn't find any. So if I would launch the application again, log in, put in my username, there will be no sign of data inputted in this frame, which is the biggest problem that my application faces, considering I won't be able to save, or my client won't be able to have any of the recorded reports that he already changed or added in. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions of the development of my code, please refer to criteria C in my folder.